In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings in Jira. Whether you're new to Jira or just looking for ways to customize your user experience, adjusting the language preferences can make navigating the platform much more intuitive and enjoyable. With these simple steps, you'll be able to change the setting in just a few moments. To start off, you'll first need to navigate to your Jira dashboard. You can easily do this by opening your preferred web browser and entering the URL for your Jira instance. Once you're there, look towards the top of the page where you'll see a section labeled For You. This area will typically contain shortcuts to your active tasks, recent issues, and any items you might need quick access to. It's essentially your personalized workspace within Jira, providing a snapshot of your current projects and responsibilities. Once you're in the For You section, the next step is to locate your profile options. In most instances, you'll find the profile icon situated at the top right corner of your screen. This icon often resembles a silhouette of a person or might display your profile picture if you've uploaded one. Clicking on this icon will open up a drop-down menu. This menu is your gateway to a range of personal settings and preferences that you can adjust to better suit your needs. Now, from this menu, you'll want to select the option that says Account Settings. This particular setting is crucial because it directs you to your account management page, where all the magic happens. Your account page is like the central hub for controlling everything related to your personal user experience, from privacy settings to interface preferences. It's here that we'll make the necessary adjustments to your language settings. After you've clicked on Manage Account, the next destination is the Account Preferences section. It might take a minute or two to navigate through if you're exploring for the first time. But no worries, you'll soon become more familiar with this setup. The Account Preferences area is designed to allow you to tweak the way Jira interacts with you. This part of the page encompasses various settings such as the default language, date and time formats, and notification options. Here comes the pivotal moment. Within the account preferences, you'll see your current language setting. It's not uncommon for this to be set to English by default, but if you're working with teams spread across different regions or simply prefer to interact in another language, it's here you can make the shift. All you have to do is click on the current language displayed. A drop-down menu will appear, showcasing a list of all the languages that Jira supports. It includes many widely spoken languages, catering to a diverse user base all over the world. Scroll through the list, then select the language that best suits your needs. Once you've selected your desired language, take a moment to verify your choice. Now, although your selection will often update automatically, it's a good idea to refresh your browser to ensure that the changes take effect across your entire Jira workspace. Doing this guarantees that every part of your interface reflects your chosen language, offering a seamless and comfortable user experience. In just these few steps, you've been able to tailor Jira's interface to match your language preference. This customization can be especially helpful if you're managing projects across different international teams or simply if language barriers have been a stumbling block in your workflow. By adjusting these settings, you not only make things easier for yourself, but also foster greater inclusivity and collaboration across your team. Remember, adjusting your language setting is just one way to make Jira more user-friendly. There are various other personalization options within the settings to explore. Delve into these when you have time and see what works best for you. This might include customizing notifications, changing themes, or integrating additional tools that your team uses frequently. Jira's strength lies in its flexibility and ability to accommodate different workflows and communication styles. Thank you for joining me on this journey to customize your Jira experience. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or if there's another topic you'd like me to cover in future videos. Keep exploring, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep optimizing your workflow to suit your unique needs. Until next time, happy project managing.